ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። አብረን በጋራ እናያቸው ጥያቄዎቹን። የመጀመሪያው ጥያቄ ኩዌሽን ነምበር 1 ዋት ኢዝ ዘ ኮር ኦብጀክት ኦፍ ዘ ሲቪል ሰርቪስ? ዋት ኢዝ ዘ ኮር ኦብጀክቲቭ ኦፍ ዘ ሲቪል ሰርቪስ? ኤ ቱ ማክሲማይዝ ፕሮፊት ፎር ዘ ገቨርንመንት፣ ቢ ቱ ፕሮቫይድ ኢፊሽንት ኤንድ ኢፌክቲቭ ፐብሊክ ሰርቪስ ቱ ሲቲዘንስ፣ ሲ ቱ ፕሮቫይድ ጆብስ ፎር ፖለቲካል ሰፖርተር፣ ዲ ቱ ኮምፒት ዊዝ ዘ ፕራይቬት ሴክተር ይላል። የአንደኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው በቢ ላይ የተቀመጠው ቱ ፕሮቫይድ ኢፊሽንት ኤንድ ኢፌክቲቭ ፐብሊክ ሰርቪስ ቱ ሲቲዝንስ የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ኩዌሽን ነምበር 2 ዘ ፕሪንሲፕል ኦፍ ኢምፓርሻሊቲ ኢን ሲቪል ሰርቪስ ሚንስ ኢምፓርሻሊቲ ኤ treating all citizens differently based on their status, B only service people from your own region, C remaining neutral even when a law is being broken, D making decisions based on objective criteria rather than bias or prejudice ይላል። የሁለተኛው ጥያቄ በዲ ላይ የተቀመጠው making decision based on objective criteria rather than bias or prejudice የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 3 which document typically outlines the fundamental rights and duties of civil servant? Which document typically outlines the fundamental rights and duties of civil servant? A the ministry Facebook page, B a personal diary of the director, C the civil service proclamation, D the daily newspaper. Question number 3 answer is C the civil service proclamations. Question number 4 in civil service accountability implies accountability: A hiding mistake from the public, B being answerable for one's actions and decisions to superiors and the public, C only following orders that are easy to perform, D having a degree in accounting. Question number 4 answer is B being answerable for one's action and decisions to superior and the public. Question number 5 says what is conflict of interest? What is conflict of interest? A situation where a civil servant private interests interface with their official duty. B two employees having an argument. C working for two different ministries at the same time legally. C disagreeing with a policy during a meeting. Question number 5 answer is A situation where a civil servant private interests interface with their official duty የሚለው መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 6 which of the following is an example of professional ethics? A taking office stationery for personal use, B sharing a college is personal secrets, C arriving late to meeting consistently, D maintaining confidentiality of sensitive labor market data. Question number 6 answer is D maintaining confidentiality of sensitive labor market data. Confidentiality of sensitive labor market data. Question number 7 transparency in the ministry is achieved by transparency: A having glass walls in the office, B providing the public with clear information about policy and decision making process, C telling everyone your password, D keeping all files under lock and key. Question number 5 answer is B. Provide the public with clear information about policy and decision-making processes are question number 7 answers የሰባተኛው ጥያቄ መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 8 merit-based requirement ensure that merit-based A. The most popular candidate gets the job. B. Friends of the manager are hired. B. C. The candidate with the highest qualification and competency is selected. D. Requirement is based on luck. Question number 8 answer is C. The candidate with the highest qualification and competency is selected. Merit-based requirement. Question number 9. What should a team leader do if they witness a bribe being offered to the staff member? What should a team leader do if they witness a bribe being offered to a staff member? A. Ignore it if it is a small amount. B. Ask for a share of the bribe. C. Report it immediately through the proper ethical or legal channels. D. Wait for someone else to report it. Question number 9 answer is C. Report it immediately through the proper ethical or legal channels የሚለው መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 10 what is the purpose of code of conduct? The purpose of a code of conduct. A. To define the dress code only. B. To set the standard of behavior expected from all employees. C. To replace the law of the land. D. To make the office look professional. Question number 10 answer is B. To set the standard of behavior expected from all employees የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 11 in the civil service equity refers to equity. A. Fairness and justice in the treatment of employees and the public. B. Giving everyone exactly the same thing regardless of need. C. The total value of the ministry's assets. D. Hiring people based on their physical height. Question number 11 answer is A. Fairness and justice in the treatment of employees and the public የሚለው መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 12 a civil servant duties of loyalty is primarily to A. their immediate supervisor personally. B. the constitution and the public interest. C. their political party. D. their family. Question number 11 answer is B. the constitution and the public interest የሚለው መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 13 what is whistleblowing? What is whistleblowing? A. Blowing a whistle to start a race. B. Publicly praising the ministry. C. Gossiping about co-workers. D. Reporting illegal or unethical activity within an organization. Whistleblowing. Question number 13 answer is D. Reporting illegal or unethical activities within an organization የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 14 efficiently in public service means A. Spending as much money as possible. B. achieving maximum output with minimum waste of resource. C. Doing things as slowly as possible to avoid mistakes. D. Hiring more people than needed. Question number 14. Answer is B. Achieving maximum output with minimum waste of resource የሚለው መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 15. Question number 15. Public service responsiveness involves responsiveness in public service. A. Answering emails after a month. B. Saying no to every request. C. Identifying and addressing the needs of citizens in a timely manner. D. Following the same rules for 50 years without change. 50 years without change. Question number 15. Answer is C. Identifying and addressing the needs of citizens in a timely manner የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 16. Question number 60. Which of the following undermines integrity? A. Using official influence to get a job for a relative. B. Admitting a mistake. C. Following a difficult procedure correctly. D. Declining a gift from a contractor. Question number 16. Answer is A. Using official influence to get a job for a relative የሚለው ለኢንቴግሪቲ መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። Using official influence. Question number 70. The principle of rule of law. Rule of law means A. A leader can make any rule they want at any time. A leaders can make any rule they want at any time. B. Everyone, including government officials, is subject to the law. C. Only the police have to follow the law. D. Laws only apply to the private sector. Rule of law. Question number 17. Answer is B. Everyone, including government official, is subject to the law. የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 18. What is political neutrality for a civil servant? Political neutrality. A. Not voting in elections. B. Serving the government of the day regardless of personal political leaning. C. Being a member of every political party. D. Dislike all politicians. Question number 18. Answer is B. Serving the government of the day regardless of personal political leaning የሚለው መልሳችን ላይ በቢ ላይ የተቀመጠው መልሳችን ላይ መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 19. In the context of ethics, discretion is A. The law to choose between different courses of action within legal bound. B. The right to ignore any rule. C. Telling everyone your secrets. D. Being loud in the workplace. Question number 19. Answer is A. The power to choose between different courses of action within legal bound የሚለው በኤ ላይ የተቀመጠው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 20. Gender mainstreaming in the ministry involves gender mainstreaming. A. Hiring only women. B. Assessing the implication for both women and men of any planned action or policy. C. Having separate building for men and women. D. Ignoring gender differences ይላል 20ኛው ጥያቄ። Question number 20. Answer is B. Assessing the implication for both women and men for any planned action or policy የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ፓርት 3 human resource management and labor. Question number 21. What is the main goal of human resource development? Human resource development. A. To reduce the number of employees. B. To manage the ministry payroll. C. To monitor the time employees arrive at work. D. To employ the skills, knowledge and ability of the workforce. ይላል 21ኛው ጥያቄ። የአንደኛው ጥያቄ መልስ የሚሆነው question number 21 answer is D. To improve the skill, knowledge and ability of the force የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። question number 22. Question number 22. A job description should primarily contains job description. A. The employee's personal hobbies. B. The task, duties and responsibility of a specific position. C. A list of all previous employees in that role. D. The employee's home address. Question number 22 answer is B. The task, duties and responsibility of the specific position የሚለው መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 23. What is performance appraisal? A. A systematic evaluation of an employee's work performance. B. Giving a speech at an office party. C. Complimenting employees daily. D. Calculating the monthly electricity bill. Performance appraisal. Question number 23 is A. A systematic evaluation of an employee's work performance የሚለው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 24. Which of the following is soft skill? A. Data analysis using Python. B. Operating heavy machinery. C. Effective communication. D. Accounting. Question number 24 answer is C. Effective communication, soft skill. Effective communication. Question number 25. Job enrichment refers to A. Giving an employee or money. B. Adding more meaningful and challenging tasks to a job. C. Increasing the number of hours an employees work. D. Moving an employee to a more expensive office. Question number 25 answer is B. Adding more meaningful and changing tasks to a job የሚለው መልሳችን ነው ማለት ነው። Question number 26. What is the purpose of an induction or orientation program? What is the purpose of an induction or orientation program? A. To test if the new employees can work long hours. B. To fire unproductive employees. C. To integrate new employees into the organization and its culture. D. To celebrate a holiday. Question number 26 answer is C. To integrate a new employees into the organization and its culture የሚለው በዚህ ላይ የተቀመጠው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 27. Labor market information is crucial for labor market information. A. Understanding trends in employment, wages and skill demands. B. Knowing what employees eat for lunch. C. Tracking the minister's travel schedule. D. Printing the minister's newsletter. Question number 27 answer is A. Understanding trends in employment, wage and skill demand የሚለው 27ኛው ጥያቄ በኤ ላይ የተቀመጠው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 27 answer is A. Question number 28. Question number 28. Which of the following is a primarily role of the Ministry of Labor and Skill? Which of the following is a primarily role of the Minister of Labor and Skills? A. Manufacturing customers' goods. B. Regulating labor relations and overseeing skill development. C. Managing the national defense. D. Operating a commercial airlines. Question number 28. Answer is B. Regulating labor relations and overseeing skills development or TVET የሚለው 28ኛው ጥያቄ በቢ ላይ የተቀመጠው መልስ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 29. Occupational safety and health focuses on A. Ensuring employees are happy. B. Selling safety equipment. C. Managing the health insurance of the minister. D. Preventing work-related injury and illnesses. Question number 29. Answer is D. Preventing work-related injury and illness የሚለው በዲ ላይ የተቀመጠው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Question number 30. Collective bargaining is a process between collective bargaining A. Two different ministers. B. Employers and labor unions to negotiate working conditions. C. The minister and the World Bank. D. Two individual employees. Question number 30. Answer is B. Employers and labor union to negotiate working conditions የሚለው 30ኛው ጥያቄ በቢ ላይ የተቀመጠው መልሳችን ይሆናል ማለት ነው።